Now we are going to study very important properties of rational numbers. 4 for addition and 4 properties for multiplication. The first property is commutative. Commutativity for addition is a plus b also equals to b plus a. This we can say 3 plus 2 is also equals to 2 plus 3. In both cases, we will get answer 5. So commutativity holds. The second property for addition is associativity. Here we can say a plus b plus c is also equal to a plus b plus c. Means if we add addition of first two numbers in third number, or if we add first number in addition of second and third, in both cases we will get same result, that is 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, and here also 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 2 is also 10. Identity in addition, here 0 is identity of addition, because if we add any number in 0 or 0 in any number, in both cases that number will remain as it is. For example, 2 plus 0 or 0 plus 2, in both cases we will get same result, that is 2. Now inverse of addition, that is additive inverse. Here a plus negative a is equal to 0. Numerically, for example, 2 plus negative 2. Here positive into negative will become negative, that is 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is called as additive inverse. Again 4 properties for multiplication. First is commutativity. Now commutativity says that a into b also equals to b into a. Numerically we can show, suppose a is 2 and b is 3. So 2 into 3 and 3 into 2. In both cases we will get same result. 3 2s are 6 and 2 3s are 6. Same way, associativity for multiplication is, if we multiply first number to the product of second and third number, that is 3 into 5, or if we take product of first two numbers and we multiply it by third number, in both cases we will get same result. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, and here 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are also 30. One is multiplicative identity, that is if we multiply any number by 1 or 1 into any number, we will get that number as it is. For example, 2 into 1 or 1 into 2, in both cases we will get same result, that is 2. Inverse, a into 1 upon a is equal to a, because a will get cancelled. Numerically we can show this as 2 is multiplied by 1 by 2, which is inverse of 2. Here 2 and 2 will get cancelled because 2 ones are 2, and 1 into 1 will be equal to 1. This is called as multiplicative inverse. Here a must not be equal to 0 because denominator must not be equal to 0.